So, Scotty, you've heated and quenched and heated and quenched and heated and quenched. And have you gotten it to actually move? You have.
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty... funny. The keys? Are these the sounds you make when making love? Yes? No? You okay? You've been torching and lubing and torching and lubing and torching and lubing.
And it is now...
Is now what?
An hour and 15 minutes. One bolt.
Yeah. Rust. Ooh, here we go. I'll play with fire. Fire! Maybe this is my butt. I'm trying to get good video. Do you want to?
Go ahead, shoot. Now, for those of you that may not know, and I know not everybody does, so I'm just going to pretend nobody does.
People know things.
The reason you heat is to expand the metal. So I'm trying not to heat the bolt, just the metal surrounding it. When you quench it with a penetrating oil or lubricant or something along those lines, it cools down the metal and it draws the fluid in. It's one of the easiest ways to loosen up a bolt with heat. But in this case, I think I'm loosening my joints. This is an absolute nightmare.
What do you got, Bernsey? Yeah. I mean, it's actually turning. Yeah, you've basically been fighting this bolt the whole time I've been here.
Yeah, for an hour and 15 minutes.
This is redonk. Lifetime warranty. SATA.
I have no clue.
Gear inch brand. It is lifetime warranty. Put the price on it. Oh, look at that. That alternator is, wow, this is insane. So Pat, my friend, this thing's got some rusty crust. But this was a bolt we thought was originally going to be, break it and drill it. It was that bad. Come on, Scotty, you can do it. We're cheering you on. Hercules, 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 Hercules.
Let me give it a try.
Bernsy's gonna take over.
Please.
Look at this teamwork. I can tell Scotty's tired because this looks easy with Bernsey.
That's really not.
He's just gonna do this.
Yeah, but I've also been doing this for
There you go.
an hour and some change.
Yeah.
So let's
Non-stop.
pull that bolt out, somebody.
I don't think that bolt's coming out.
Yeah, I don't think that bolt's coming out at all.
You think it's with the...
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to get the alternator bracket completely out, to get the alternator out, to get... Oh, that's fun. All right, so let's get that fan clutch out of there first, because that'll give us a lot more room.
Yeah, I left the one belt on so it'll be a little bit easier.
Yeah, so let's take care of that, get the other belt, then we'll come back to fighting this. Scotty, carry on, my wayward son.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna sing the song this time, though.
Yeah, please don't.